Well, as we take a look here at the closing market trade today, the bears continue to fuel their downward pressure. Although I do want to note here at the outside equities towards the close of the trade, they had started to come back around on the Dow Jones and S&P 500. Of course, fueling those bears was another round of jobless claims beating analyst expectations. Now, interesting enough, the U.S. dollar continues to be a safe haven, but crude oil is bucking that higher dollar trend with West Texas intermediary crude oil futures pushing the $27, maybe even $28 per barrel mark. In the grains, as we come into the close there, broadly lower once again on the day, though we did get the latest USDA export sales out, and it was actually a fairly strong day for corn, topping 1 million metric tons. Soybeans remained unchanged in their weekly export sales week to week, and wheat was actually down 17%. China continues to be a big buyer of soybeans this week, trying to live up to those Phase 1 trade deal obligations, buying another round of soybeans and soybean oil this morning. We see December new crop corn futures settle 331 3/4. November new crop soybean futures settle at 843 3/4, while July Chicago wheat futures settle 502 1/4, and July Kansas City wheat futures settle 451 3/4. And the livestock trade, that's where the bears were once again in the cattle market, though we did see some light buying in parts of the lean hogs. We got out the latest export sales for the meats also, and unfortunately higher cutout values starting to sour international customers as we see beef hit a marketing year low and China even cancel some exports of pork sales. Now we see the June live cattle futures settle 94.12, August feeder cattle futures settle $1.3105, and the June lean hogs settle at 58.75. That is a check here of your closing market report for this Thursday, May the 14th. I'm Clay Patton. You have a great afternoon, and we'll be back here with more market information and a weekly recap tomorrow afternoon.